Hello everyone, I am Akash Patel, and in this video I'm going to record about my trading career and the reason why I entered into this trading field. So let's check and let's record. During the time of pandemic, I've suffered with the source of extra income, and yes, definitely I want to earn some more money. So I before previously I tried to do the post graduation or MTech degree, but it requires a lot amount, and I don't have that such of money. So I decided to enter into the trading field and to create money from money. So I started learning from the month of 2021 June, and I started learning from the free videos which are already available in the YouTube. But later I found out that these free videos are absolutely not, not showing any results to me, and these all videos are totally based on the indicators which are available free in these, in the trading applications. And also I just want to, reduce my I want to reduce my risk because the whatever the strategies and whatever the skills which are present on the YouTube channels are not very effective. That's why I stopped using those indicators. Finally, I stopped at a certain point where I learned this price action strategy, which is totally depend upon the supply and demand zone. And that particular strategy is totally based upon the price action, and which can easily be learned or which can easily be, understand understand for a beginners. So after struggling for 3 months, I finally understand that these indicators will not pay me anymore. So I decided to learn price action strategy from other trading academies. So I finally decided to learn, and I started learning. And I found this price action, demand and supply strategy very effective because what I found in this trading career is that if you had your risk management, very effective risk management, and you risk a small amount of money, by only risking, or if you risk a small amount, you can able to achieve the higher rewards. We call it as a risk to reward ratio. So yes, if you are able to find out, or if you are able to access that particular trend and that particular demand and supply zone, you are able to you are able to create more reward in comparison to the less risk. And that's all I want. So as a beginner, and I found it very effective because I created the money from this strategy. And this particular strategy, which is totally depend upon price action, and it totally depend upon the supply and that one, it totally applicable in every stock market, even in the currencies, even in the commodities, even in the forex, even in the cryptocurrencies, equities, cash, everywhere. This this price action, this demand and supply strategy is totally applicable at every time frame. Also, it is applicable in 15 minutes, 75 minutes. It is applicable on 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, doesn't matter. It is applicable in every time frame. So that particular strategy of price action is totally, totally useful for me. And I shifted my complete mindset to that price action, which is totally and a particular skill which is totally dependent upon this demand and supply. And it is the most effective and most basic strategy, which is not present on any YouTube channel. So I just decided to make sure that every beginner who want to enter into this trading field, I want to make sure that they come and they learn this supply demand strategy. You can easily make money within 3 months, because I got specialized by understanding this supply and demand zone. And there are other more effective method also. Once you become once you get to the higher higher tiers, like we call it as like a rookie, and above rookie there is an expert, and then above expert there is a master. So when you become when you are a beginner, it is necessary for you to to learn the basics of the stock market, and it is very really very necessary for you. And after learning this basic, it is very necessary for you to become a rookie, because if you become a rookie, you first practice this particular strategy, and that's what I started doing from the month of September. And from the month of September till now, I'm practicing and I'm keep focusing on that particular strategy in all fields, even in the cash, even in the futures, even in the options. So right now I'm learning the options through these particular skills, but I want to give this knowledge to other beginners also, so that they can put their money in the trading field and earn some extra money from the stock market. And it is very, in this kind of situation, it is very necessary for youngsters and for beginners also, so that they can learn an easy they can access the easy strategy which is already present in the market, and can create the good money from it. So yes, I'm going to share all these strategies so that every beginner can become profit, because nowadays everyone wants tips. And a stock market is not based on tips, it is totally based on skills, strategies, and most important thing, discipline. If you have the discipline and a proper risk management, you will win in this stock market. And yes, it is a game, but play it safe. That's it. I will make sure that I will going to upload more videos, and slowly I'm going to teach everyone how to trade in the stock market. That's it for now. Have a nice day. God bless you all.